Hello everyone. If you ever fill the tank with the wrong ink in the colors or any one of these tanks, how to empty these tanks, today in this video I'm going to teach you. In this printer mistakenly we entered a wrong ink in the wrong colors. Okay, so better to empty all the tank that you insert a wrong ink. For example, if you insert a wrong ink in this magenta, you put a black or any other color, just empty this tank. Okay, so in our case the consumer entered raw black ink in these colors one, so I already pull out all the inks, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove this lock to clean it well with the water. Stay with me and watch the complete video step by step what to do. In this video I'm going to teach you, first of all, with the help of syringe. After disassemble, stay here like this. What I did, with the help of syringe, I removed the ink one by one from nozzles. All ink I removed and I empty in the trash. Okay, what is the second step that I will recommend you? You have to remove these black hole locks nozzles of the ink here. Like, you have to take any sharp small scissor or tweezer. There is a tiny lock right down here. Okay, we have to push this lock on this side. Let me remove one lock and I will teach you what to do, how to remove this like this. Okay, look, I removed carefully. Yeah, you can see this is a lock inside. We have to press with the help of scissor, or you can use hard tweezer you have. Like this, you will press like this and you will press like this and pull this outside. Okay, so one by one we will remove all three locks, all three nozzles. Okay, 2, 3. With the help of syringe or directly you can insert water to clean well. Okay, now I will shake a little bit. Well, now you can pull the ink from here to clean the pipes. Same like this, what I am doing. And put in the trash. Slowly remove all water inside. Okay, one thing more what I will do, just to make sure, I will took distilled water inside. So what I will do, I will pull this up like this. It's better to clean. You can like this to remove without removing. Yeah, all tanks are empty now. I'll make it clean. To make sure, again, I will pull the water with syringe if there is any remaining water. hopefully all 3 tanks are clean now. We'll close and again I will suck. Yeah, it's quite empty. No ink floating outside. So one thing what we will do, make sure that if there is any black ink in the cartridge, we will suck this also. With that way I will you can see the colors are coming blue, cyan, magenta and yellow. So it means the black ink didn't go through these print head. Also I will check it that way. You can see all 3 colors are coming fine, no black color. So our print head is in ready state, no need to clean this more. Just the tank we already emptied, we will clean it well and then we will insert back toner. Let me clean up it. That we put a smudges on the print body. This consumer already, he tried many things, so he did mess. Clean it well and we will insert back our new ink. Okay, this is the method to empty the ink tank if you have mistakenly put a wrong ink on the wrong place, and you can do it with that way. If you have any other question, you can ask down in the comments. That's it for now. Insert back also like the way we open, just fix it back like this. Just press one by one. It's very easy. Yeah, here we go. It's done. All clear. Text me, comments me if you have any other question. Don't forget to subscribe. All the best.